Folks, Clive Roach here, looking at the latest 2 additions to the vast range of Apple Watch faces that you can use.
Apple Watch.
Let's look at the 2 new watch faces that come with iOS 9.5. The first one is Unity Mosaic, symbolises the power of unity. You have a choice of background on and off and a range of accent colours, but you cannot add any complications. Pride Celebration is the second watch face, and this is my favourite version of the 3 different styles. This is the motion one. You can have a light or a dark background, and the other 2 styles are hour marks and numerals. These 2 can have complications. And that's it. See you next time.